to the ASAM installation video for ramp 25 and 3500. Please pause to read the safety information contained in this video. The design has changed since this stock footage was shot. The cross-frame mounting bolts have been removed. Start by removing the bolts holding the bump stop in place. Once the stop is removed, wipe any debris from the bump stop frame and the axle. The ASAM is assembled to aid the shipping process. Disassemble the frame and axle mount from the air spring at this time. Pay close attention to the position of the 45-degree quarter-inch compression air fitting installed on the air springs. They need to face the rear of the truck when installed. The first plate is called the frame plate, the center plate is called the spacer plate, and the third is the spring plate. Install the frame plate to the bump stop mount using the M10 by 1.5 by 35 mm bolts provided. Ensure all bolts are tight. Stack the spacer plate onto the spring plate and bolt the entire assembly onto the frame plate. Ensure all plate edges are flush and tighten all 4 carriage bolts at this time. Attach the axle mount to the air spring and snug the bolt so the mount can still rotate. Attach the lower clamp to the axle mount. The clamp fits the axle very tight. Ensure that the ASAM is straight vertically and at a 90-degree angle side to side of the axle. The air spring will follow the natural arc of the suspension front to back. Once Once alignment is obtained, tighten the bolts evenly until secure. Ensure the hydraulic brake lines and anti-lock brake wiring do not get pinched. You may need to slightly and gently adjust them. Tighten the axle mount bolt to the air spring at this time. This video shows the left side being installed first. The mounts and installation procedures are identical for the right side. Remember, the air fittings face to the rear of the truck. Please take the time after installation of both sides to double check all fasteners for proper securement. We're almost finished. Attach air lines to the air springs and safely route air lines inside the frame towards the rear bumper. The longer air line is for the right side. This line will exit from the right frame rail and route behind the bumper to mate up with the left. The lines need to be secured behind the bumper with zip ties. The T-air fitting should be installed at the end of the left frame rail. Ensure the air lines are completely inserted into the fittings before securement. Install the fill valve in the factory hole provided in the left box side. The valve can be installed at any location you choose. Please ensure the location does not interfere with suspension operation, exhaust, electrical, spare tire, or spare tire mechanisms. Connect air lines with the T-fitting provided and tighten as shown. The air fittings are brass, do not over-tighten. Zip tie air lines as needed for their protection. Leak check all connections under pressure with a soapy water solution. You will have to load test to find the sweet spot for your particular application. Remember, 1 to 2 psi can make a noticeable difference in ride quality. We thank you for watching and hope this video has been helpful. Our products are far more superior than our video production skills. Please pause to read the safety information provided. Please contact us with any questions or comments you may have.